So here we are again. We're having another party. Have all my girls from Regina High School all over. Graduated the year of '78. And today we're making meatballs. And we're doing the whole meatball baking. They're leaving with aprons. They're leaving with meatball scoops. We're having Jersey Mike subs. We're having some soup. And we'll get on with the lesson. Like to hit? Hiccup. Just so that'll be So now we have our garlic crushed in here, and we're putting basil, fresh basil. This is my grandmother's secret trick. Mint. Mint?
Crazy. Italian flat leaf parsley. Listen up.
Yeah, it has to be. This is the specifying. And they took it to Peru.
Oh,
Into
Wait, this is Pecorino Romano.
Yeah, I usually.
Wow.
The doctor told me last time he was there only to
do the meat.
That's a whole cow there.
That's a no, it's a big one.
The meatball
let it get really stale, and then we would just.
Oh my God! Yeah.
No, he works at home. Late in the morning.
I don't think I ever did.
Yeah, we got.
So what's this new property?
Round it up.
Here, you guys do this.
So now time to make the spaghetti sauce for our meatballs. So it's pretty easy, very, very simple. We start with a nice tall pot. Cover the bottom with olive oil, extra virgin. 4 cloves of garlic. Because I'm telling you, as soon as you smell that garlic, you want to So I can just smell it, but I'll let it go a couple of seconds longer. So this all is quick and in real time. When you pour your tomatoes, pour it into a spoon or on the back of a spoon so it doesn't jump up and splatter on you. So I rinse one from the other. And when I do this, I know it's weird and you're gonna think, but I always say in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. You do it one more time. Salt. Cheese. I put in a 3 handful of cheese when you're using 3 cans of the crushed tomatoes. And lastly, basil. And that's it. Put your meatballs in the sauce. Put it on the back burner on very low. And you're good to go. Homemade ravioli. So this is just 2 pounds of whole milk ricotta cheese. To that I'm adding, this is about a pound, 16 ounces of whole milk mozzarella. And now I'm putting some more of this Pecorino Romano in this filling. What the heck? So 2 eggs. Olive oil. Makes it nice and smooth. And salt. I use a decent amount of pepper. The filling, you're going to use 3 cups, this is my cup, coffee cup, of all-purpose flour, some salt. Put in 2 eggs and olive oil. And then you're going to slowly drizzle in some water until the dough kind of gets into a ball. See how it's starting to gather up? Take one of these mozzarella pearls and put it right in the middle. Drop it gently. Here. Balls, you need some sauce.
What's the matter for you?
Get out of here.